Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be very interesting because I bought a Soundpeats earbud that is not released yet, but they are available on AliExpress. So I'm very excited to share this with you. First, let's unbox this parcel. So you can see that I bought two of them, both colors, white and black. Let's unbox them and then I will tell you why I bought them and why I am so interested. Enjoy the unboxing. Friends, welcome to my review section. I have used it for more than a month and now I'm going to present you my feedback with it. But first, let's give you my impressions of this product, give you the reason why I bought two pairs. I should make unboxing of this clear dot as well because I just unboxed them first, but I didn't use this one, so I should unbox this one for you guys as well. So you can clearly see the difference between white and black, that the white is very clean now without any scratches, but it has a little bit of scratches on it because I used it very roughly. Now let me tell you why I bought this. Before I start, I want to make an announcement that right now they are available very cheaply on AliExpress, and if you use the discount codes available in the description, its price will further drop. So this is a very great opportunity for you guys. And the reasons why I bought this is, first of all, because I like Soundpeats brand and most of their products are very good. Secondly, I like transparent earbuds and these are transparent and their name is also clear. And the third reason is that they are very beautiful. And most importantly, it is one of the latest Soundpeats earbuds. It has Bluetooth version 5.3 though, because it's very budget price. It has dual mic and it has AI call noise cancellation, and you will be interested to try this. It is automatic, it has gaming mode as well, and it has app support available also, which is very good. And most importantly, it is a very cheap earbud and you can clearly see both colors are very beautiful. So without further delay, let me present you its sound quality. So the sound of Soundpeats clear dot is very impressive, I mean for its price range, but because you can clearly see that there are two options for you guys. Both are budget and both are transparent, Soundpeats clear transparent and Soundpeats clear dot. But as far as I have compared both of them, I think Soundpeats clear dot is much more detailed and has better sound than Soundpeats clear. So that's why I recommend Soundpeats clear dot first, but it's your choice, and they both have the same price almost. So if you use the discount codes, you can get it much cheaper. So you can see, and plus discount codes, price will further drop. The sound is very detailed, it is a vocal forward IEM, the bass is balanced here, and it's very good if you want to listen to casual music and not some very special music like bassy music. But the bass is very balanced here, the treble is not troublesome at all. So the sound quality is very decent and very fair in this price range, and I really like the sound quality. Mostly I used it for casual listenings. It's very easy to wear, very comfortable to wear, and it looks very beautiful also. It is all transparent. You can see. Let me remove this. So you can see that it is all transparent and it is looking very beautiful. So that's the reason I bought it. And another reason which I didn't told you, because I didn't had this type of design earbuds from Soundpeats. I mostly had like this types of design which are long shaped like this. So this was the first one ever, and it turned out to be very well for sure. And you can see that it is so beautiful and you will like it too. It is transparent and looking very beautiful, and the sound is also very good. And it has gaming mode as well, which I didn't test it because it's a little hard to test, because I tested it early, and I can recommend this easily to you, and you will definitely be impressed by this sound quality. It is looking very beautiful. So that's it with my review. Let me now end my review. And even also, if you don't like it, it's already in very fair price. Like the price is very cheap, so it's your choice.